I have made tons of videos in this studio. I love it, it's amazing, it's beautiful. But I haven't really told you guys how I got everything in here or why I have everything in here, so let me give you guys a quick little studio tour. Let's start with my Mountain Dew collection. All right guys, so check this out. This right here is my absolute favorite. I had a Cake Smash Mountain Dew for my birthday when I turned 25, I think. I found the Cake Smash, it was delicious. It literally just tasted like cake Mountain Dew. I feel like if you mix birthday cake syrup with a diet Mountain Dew, you'd get the same thing. If I had an original can, I'd compare the two, but whatever. I also have the OG Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew, Typhoon, which will probably come back at some point, and this cool Monster. Oh, and I almost forgot probably the coolest thing on there. This is a Bud Light bottle, specially branded from the last drop. If anyone's seen Arcane, I'm sure tons of you have. So I don't believe this was ever sold. I got this as a gift from Bud Light, so shout out Bud Light. They did something cool for once. If I'm gonna keep going, my next coolest thing back here, it's gotta be my Pip-Boy. Let's get that down. This Pip-Boy was for Fallout 4, a very hated and very loved for me Fallout game. Let's see if I can get this on. Fallout 4 was extremely overhated when it came out because it wasn't Fallout 3, which is the case for most games. It wasn't the last game that had come out, so people get upset. Dude, I feel like I should wear this in my videos. Let's see. I'm wearing my Pip-Boy. You can actually wear this while playing Fallout 4, which is kind of cool, but kind of impossible. But now smartphones are way too big. This was in the days of tiny smartphones. And you could actually put your phone inside of here and use it as the Pip-Boy in the game and it'd connect. It was super cool. But I still like mine. You know, I could cosplay as a Vault Dweller if I really wanted to, so kind of cool. But yeah, from Fallout 4, very, very, very cool. Back up on the shelf you go. Din, kitty. He knows that we want him on camera. All right, this is probably my favorite little ingredient in the studio. Ingredient. This is my cat Din, named after not Din Djarin, not after Din, any other Dins. He's named after Din Rahl from The Legend of Zelda. He's my little fiery ginger kitty. Din Rahl is the fire-breathing dragon from Breath of the Wild, so he is my fire-breathing kitty. He helps me make everything in the videos, and he really wants that feather right here. It took us like 10 minutes to get him up here, but we got him. Din's the main entertainment around here. He's the only pet that we love in this house, so that's little Din, and Din loves feathers. All right, guys, this is not really the main attraction, but he's a pet that lives in the house. This is Barney. He's a dog, and people love dogs, but I don't love dogs. This is probably a bad image for my channel. I don't love dogs. Barney, he's a dog though, so this is Barney. Hope you guys like him. All right, this is the next cool thing that I have in my, back here, hiding with my other cooler. I have another cooler. This is the Yeego wine cooler. This is really cool. I actually don't use it for wine because I don't really drink that much wine. But what it has is a bunch of shelves. There's actually extra ones that I took out. And this has become my syrup, juice, and garnish cooler. It's really cool. Barney still wants to be in the video, I guess. But so this is where I keep most of my stuff chilled. This one goes all the way down to 38. It's great, it's small, it's compact. If you want to check it out, Yeego Life coolers, they make the best stuff. Highly recommend. All right, you guys know I love Fallout, and I love the labeling on this Jones special release. Some of you guys might be upset. You're probably like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know they did Nuka Victory in a soda and you could buy it. It sucked. This is terrible. The only reason I have 4 left is because I practically, I wanted to throw the other 4 that I got out. Respectfully, Jones, this is one of the worst sodas you guys have ever made. Maybe it's because I don't like peach and mango like that, but Nuka Victory should never have been peach and mango flavor. But it's really cool for the studio. It looks nice back there, so I love it. Shout out Jones. Other than that, I don't have a lot of really cool stuff. I think my little Spider-Man set here is extremely badass. I have a Pokeball because I was just doing a Pokemon video. And you gotta remember the how to make sign. But of all the stuff back here, my favorite has to be that Cake Smash Mountain Dew. It's so cool. I don't know if you guys pay attention in the videos or not, but this shelf right here, as long as we remember, will always change. So if you go back and watch any old videos, we are constantly changing this shelf, except for the one time we forgot and we left a dollar bill up here for like 5 videos in a row. It was crazy. So there it is. Those are the favorite things in my studio. If you have been watching the videos for a while and you've seen me changing the shelf, let me know what your favorite thing on there has been so far. But until the next video, I'll see you guys.